How to fix the Roblox error code 403. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your authentication failed error in your Roblox. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Windows and here you have to type the run. And after that here you have to type the abrata and simply click on the OK. Now from here you have to click on the local and you have to find the option of the Roblox. So once you find it here you just have to right click on it and here you have to delete the file of your Roblox. And after that you just have to go back and you have to click on the roaming. You can also go on the local low. And from here you have to scroll down and here you have to go in the Microsoft. Now once you are in you have to click on the Windows and you have to go in the start menu and you have to click on the programs. Now once you are in here you have to again find the option of your Roblox and after that you just have to click on it and delete it. And after deleting your Roblox file location you have to go into your Chrome or any browser that you are using and here you have to search for your Roblox. Now once you are in you just have to click on the play and here you have to go in the open Roblox game clients and you have to click on the download and install the Roblox. Now here you have to follow all of these steps and simply click on the join and you are able to install the Roblox. So that's how you can fix the authentication failed in your Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.